People loves React because it's make building single page application easily. But like other framework, it requires a tons of setup. Thankfully, the Facebook team who created React developed a tool called Create React App and it's automate the process for you. Let's install it. Open up terminal on Mac or command prompt on Windows and run this command. npm install -g short for global, and here is the package we are going to install. Create react app. We are going to use this package to create a new React app. I want you to install exact same version I am going to use in this course. Because in the future there might be a breaking changes and you might get confusing if what you see is different from what I am going to show you. So here at version 3.4.1, if you are in Mac, you haven't configured permission properly, you need to put sudo in front of the command. With this, you run this command under administrative privilege. Enter. Okay, let's enter the password. Enter. Okay, beautiful. Create React app successfully installed on your machine.